as usual, the recording stopped and I have to post another video. So, well, this is not the first time I found diamonds, because I found diamonds long ago. I did find diamonds long ago, but not playing this game, playing the other game. Minecraft PE. Oh, lapis lazuli. Okay, this is why I really need that shovel. Shoveling. Let's take this lapis lazuli. Okay. That up. It's 4 blocks tall. Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe you heard about the popular YouTubers that they have sex or whatever. Well, I'm still a kid. I'm gonna have that. So I'm just talking about nonsense right now. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Really stressed out after school. I'm really tired. I don't have any words to say yet because you guys didn't comment anything. So what should we? The pickaxe break. Right. Pickaxe broke. Let's grab a new crafting bench. Let's make 8 pickaxes. Let's take that. Take that. Take that. Let's take that. And you need to make two pickaxes. So my brother came in. I think he's gonna interrupt me.
So I want this
car. Shh. Please. So, move that over there. And, okay, let's continue mining until we find more diamonds. I think it's enough for now. Until here, that's enough. That's really enough. I'm serious, that's really enough. So look how many times we did Declan, please. Shush.
No. Yes.
Shush. Shush.
Yes.
Shh.
Yes.
So let's store our diamonds over here. Maybe I really fail. Watch some encouraging videos, but it failed on me. Oh dear. Someone's coming. I think I have to pause with the video. Oh, I don't really have to. So I'll just keep going on and mining. Well, someone's going in. Oh. Look at that. So, someone came in, sometimes interrupt my video. Yeah, so let's keep on going mining. Let's dig here, right here. Let's dig a little bit down here. Chance. Let's keep mining. So this is 12 and this is 11. Let's go. Looks like we found a cave. Oh, this is the cave that we found. Okay, let's stop the F3. Let's put it up there. We need more cobblestones. I should have grabbed those cobblestones. They were really useful. Okay, let's grab those. Maybe no. Let's continue mining. Just ignore those. That's my brother speaking to my sister, my little sister, my little brother speaking to my little sister, and that's my someone who visited me. He's going to go. Oh, I just saved a screenshot. I don't know why. I don't know why. Why did I save that screenshot? So let's keep mining. Dig. Oh, good, redstone. Why are there so many redstones? I don't know, I like it that. Just tell me down in the comment section below what to do next and what method shall I use for this Minecraft series. Let's jump. Oh, this one. Good. So yeah, looks like a little bit now. Looks like we are reaching the end of this video. And someone just came in again. That's why this is why my room is not separated. I said that many times. So if it's okay for you guys, comment me down section below. So I will change where I record. So I can change what is the place that where shall I record. Just tell me down section below if it really matters. I'll change my place. So I'm gonna block this because I don't want any holes in my windows. Yeah, it's PG. So a lot of you guys didn't comment me down below what to do next, and a lot of you guys didn't watch my videos where I asked you guys to comment me down below what to do next. Please watch my videos. Maybe I shall wait 1 week later because some of my friends who record YouTube said you just need to wait 1 week later and they will subscribe. So I'm just using, I will use my friends' methods to try it. I'll see you guys when you guys comment me or whatever. So for you guys who watch this lately, please don't be mad at me because I didn't mean I thought you guys didn't want to comment me down below. So I think it's enough. We found diamonds, tried to find diamonds, and we found diamonds. So that's really good. That's really good. I think we're almost reaching this end of the video. Just a little bit more. So for you guys who is wanting to see my face, you can look at it right now. So this is my face. Maybe for you guys that looks really ugly, but yeah, this is my face. So as you know, I may look a little bit too slow, but whatever, it's up to you guys. So it looks like we are going to reach this end of the video, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe me more and subscribe at my channel. So please, I beg you, please just subscribe me. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe me.